Well, what are you doing, Piper, huh? Are you going to give a talk? She looks like she's going to inform the office of something important, so she's sitting there front and center on the desk. Well, where is everybody, huh? Here you are, all ready to convey information to the office. Yeah, and they don't seem to be around. Oh, that's how people are sometimes. Probably cats too. Yeah. Uh, oh, oh, it looks like she's gonna go look for him. That's probably a good idea. When you're an office manager, you just have to do things like that. Yeah, where is everybody?